Frozen screens on Rogers or Xfinity cable boxes are often caused by software glitches that create temporary memory issues. The first step to fix this is a force restart by unplugging the set-top box from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds. This clears the memory without losing any data. To perform a force restart, first, locate the power cord on your cable box. Second, unplug it from the outlet. Third, wait 30 to 60 seconds. Fourth, plug it back in and turn on the box. This method works for Rogers Ignite TV boxes like the XE6 and Xfinity boxes like X1 or Flex. Make sure to identify your device correctly. To show the power cord location, here's what the back of a typical set-top box looks like with the power connection. Most frozen screen issues, about 75%, are resolved by this simple force restart. If a force restart doesn't work, check your signal and HDMI connections. Start by ensuring the coaxial cable is securely connected to both the wall outlet and the set-top box. Next, inspect the HDMI cable connecting the set-top box to your TV. Try using a different HDMI port on your TV or swap in a different HDMI cable if possible. Weak signals or faulty HDMI connections can disrupt video feeds, causing freezes. For Xfinity, use the Xfinity app to check signal strength. For Rogers, use the Ignite TV app or call customer service. A signal strength above -10 dBm is ideal. Replace outdated HDMI cables, especially if using 4K TVs, as incompatible cables can mimic freezes. These checks, combined with a force restart, resolve about 90% of frozen screen issues.